Two Asian vegetarian curries are our today's recipes in the joy of cooking. Hi friends, I'm Aishwarya Sunil Bivalkar. Let's begin. Veg Sri Lankan curry is our first recipe. Veg Sri Lankan curry. For that, we require cauliflower florets, medium sized, 1 cup, peeled and chopped potatoes, 2 medium sized, coconut milk 1 cup, French beans half cup, sliced onions 2 medium sized, peeled and diagonally cut carrots, cinnamon stick, cardamom pods, green chili finely chopped, garlic powder, you may use fresh garlic, curry powder, mustard seeds, turmeric, curry leaves, require salt, oil and water. For the recipe of the curry powder, do check the description box. I have shared the recipe link. So now in a pan I am going to take oil and heat it nicely on high flame. So 2.5 teaspoons of oil, add 1 cinnamon stick and 3 cardamom pods, mustard seeds, 1.5 teaspoon and cook this. Then add curry leaves, about 15 to 20 curry leaves, yes, a huge amount, and mix it well. Then add finely chopped green chili. I am using 1 big green chili or as per taste. Then add sliced onions and cook this on high flame. Let the onions become translucent and then add crushed garlic or garlic powder 1 teaspoon. Add salt as per taste. And mix everything well. Add turmeric powder 1 teaspoon. Peeled and chopped potatoes, medium sized cauliflower florets and combine everything well. On high flame, then add peeled and chopped carrots, French beans and mix everything well. Then add the curry powder. Two tablespoons and salt as per taste. Mix everything well and let it cook for about 2 minutes on low flame and then add coconut milk. 1 cup of coconut milk. Add water to adjust the consistency. Cover it with the lid and let it cook on low flame for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, we are going to open the lid and give it a quick stir. And again cover it and let it cook for about 7 to 10 minutes on low flame. So once it's ready, it's cooked properly. Add some water if required to adjust the consistency and let it come to a boil. On high flame. And this is how our veg Sri Lankan curry is ready. We'll serve it hot. Perfect. Our delicious Sri Lankan curry is ready. Veg Indo-Thai red curry is our next recipe. Veg Indo-Thai red curry. For that we require dried red chilies soaked in warm water for half an hour. Then I have de-seeded them. About 8 to 10 red chilies, chopped onion, curry leaves, freshly crushed garlic, coconut milk, coriander seeds, cumin seeds, ginger powder, black pepper powder, salt, French beans, peeled and chopped potatoes, dried lemongrass, you may use fresh, coconut milk, peeled and chopped carrots, medium-sized cauliflower florets, oil and water. So first in a mixer jar, I am going to take the red chilies soaked in water and de-seeded. Then add 1 medium-sized chopped onion, 8 to 10 curry leaves, black pepper powder 1.5 teaspoon, ground ginger 1 teaspoon. You may use fresh ginger. Then add 1 teaspoon of crushed garlic, coriander seeds 1 teaspoon, cumin seeds half teaspoon, coconut milk 1.5 tablespoon, and blend it nicely. So this is how our red curry paste is ready. Now in a pan, I'm going to heat some oil. So about 2 teaspoons of oil. Heat it properly and then add the lemongrass. I'm using dried lemongrass. And cook it for about 1 minute on medium flame. Then add the red curry paste. And cook this for about 2 to 3 minutes on medium to high flame. Then add peeled and chopped potatoes. I'm using 2 medium-sized potatoes, 8 to 10 French beans, diagonally cut, and medium-sized cauliflower florets, about half cup, and 1 small carrot, peeled and chopped. And mix everything well. Then add coconut milk, 1.5 tablespoon, and mix everything well. Then add some water. I'm adding it from the mixer jar, and some more. So about 1 cup of water, and combine everything well on high flame. Add some salt as per taste. Mix everything well and cover it with the lid. Let it cook for about 7 to 10 minutes on low flame. After 7 minutes, I am going to open the lid and mix it well. Perfect. Again cover it with the lid and let it cook for the next 5 to 7 minutes or until the veggies are cooked perfectly on low flame. And this is how our Veg Indo-Thai red curry is ready. So this is how our 2 Asian vegetarian curries are ready. Please do like my video, subscribe to my channel, The Joy of Cooking. Hit the bell icon for the notifications of the new videos that I share. Follow me on Pinterest, Instagram and Facebook. I am Aishwarya Sunil Bivalkar signing off. Take care, stay tuned and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.